Welcome back, guys, and just received this iPhone 17 Pro deep blue color, and in this video I'm going to unbox it and tell you some features. So let's start. Just turn it around, and from here I have already open it. Now just this one. See, this is here. This is the new phone. Okay, this is the cable which has come along with it, and now I will tell you that this Apple iPhone 17 Pro was launched in September and is now available for purchase in India. It features the powerful A19 Pro chips, a versatile triple 48 megapixel this camera system, and then optical zoom up to 8x and a brighter 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR display. So these was the key features, and you have to purchase the accessories. Only the cable will come along the box, and display size I have already told 6.3. From here you can just open it. Okay, now I will open it later. 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with 2622 into 21206 resolution, 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. Processor I have told you, A19 Pro chip, RAM up to 12 GB, storage 256 GB, 512 GB and 1 TB option, rear camera, front camera, battery 4252 mAh capacity, and eSIM only variant providing up to 31 hours of video playback. The connectivity is 5G, Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6. Operating system iOS 26 with integrated Apple Intelligence feature. Charging, it supports up to 40 watt fast wire charging, 50% in approximately 20 minutes. Okay, software I have already told you, iOS 26, and the port here, this is USB-C connector that supports USB 3 speed up to 10 gigabytes per second. This is what I wanted to tell you. That's all. Thank you very much.